Select Kia models feature hands-on detection and an in-cabin camera to help with safer, more attentive driving during everyday commutes and longer highway trips. Hands-on detection monitors steering wheel contact, ensuring the driver remains engaged, while driver assistance features are active. If the system determines the driver is not holding the steering wheel or only has one hand on the wheel, a warning message will appear, and an alert will sound prompting the driver to re-engage. Be aware, if the driver is wearing gloves, the system may fail to detect that they are holding the steering wheel. The in-cabin camera is part of the forward attention warning system that monitors the driver's attention. The camera is positioned to observe the driver's face and eye movement. When detecting drowsy or distracted driving, the system displays visual warnings and sounds an alert, prompting the driver to take a break and maintain safe attention levels. To turn forward attention warning on or off, go to Vehicle Settings on the infotainment system. Select Setup, Vehicle, Driver Assistance, Driver Attention Warning, then Forward Attention Warning. Forward Attention Warning stays on when the vehicle is restarted. For more information, please refer to your owner's manual and your vehicle's user guide. You can also explore our Kia Features and Functions YouTube channel or visit KiaHowTo.com. Thanks for watching.